Welcome to patient9.com. Follicular Unit Transplantation (FUT) is a surgical procedure used to restore hair growth in people with hair loss or thinning hair. During the procedure, hair follicles are removed from a donor area on the scalp and transplanted into the recipient area. The donor's hair is typically taken from the back of the head, as this area is resistant to male pattern baldness and generally has a good supply of healthy hair. FUT is a popular and effective treatment for hair loss and can provide patients with natural-looking, long-lasting results. The transplanted hair is typically arranged in follicular units, which are small clusters of hair that naturally grow together. FUT is typically performed using local anesthesia and may take several hours to complete, depending on the number of hair follicles being transplanted. The procedure is considered to be a long-lasting solution for hair loss, as the transplanted hair is permanent and will continue to grow and shed like normal hair. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel.